Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you HARDROCK bait how to withdraw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Withdrawing funds from your HARDROCK bait account is a straightforward process. To do it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your HARDROCK bait app. Now here, what you need to do is select the state. Now once selected the state, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do now is simply tap on the account option on the bottom right corner, and then you'll find an option that says balance. Simply tap on that. Now inside balance, you'll be seeing an option that says withdraw. Simply tap on that to view available withdrawal methods. Then select your preferred withdrawal option from the list. Note that some methods require prior use for deposits. Then specify the amount you wish to withdraw, which is minimum $10. Provide any additional information required for a chosen method. Then review your withdrawal details, and lastly submit the request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.